We are now inside the Presidential Museum kung saan makikita ang mga sasakyan ng mga nagdaang president. This car is used by Sir Hirsch Menya during 1878 to 1961. Right. Next one is kay Manuel Rojas. Here's the car. Wow, ang ganda. Ang gugwapa. Next in line is sasakyang Quirino. 1953 Chrysler Crown Imperial Limousine. Here. And 1955 Cadillac Series. Sasakyang Magsaysay. Ang gwapo. And this is used by the then President Macapagal, 1959 Cadillac Sedan. And this one was by the former President Ferdinand Marcos, 1980 Lincoln Continental Mark 6 Signature Series. Ang galing. Medyo bilis-bilisan natin. Ito naman po kay dating Pangulo Corazon Aquino, 1986 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL. And kay Mr. Tabaco, Sir Fidel Ramos. Kay Sir Joseph Estrada, 1993 Mercedes-Benz S600. Okay, kay President Arroyo was Mercedes 1993 Mercedes-Benz din. Ang ganda. Oh, kay Imelda Marcos, Rolls-Royce Phantom 5, 1960. For President Imelda Marcos. This was the gift from the husband. And ito naman kay Jeep Magsaysay, 1943 Willys Jeep. Look. Talaga naman. It's an antique. And Karwaheng Apasible. Automobile na nausong automobile sa Pilipinas. And sasakyang Douglas MacArthur. Bakit may kalesa dyan? Right, there you go. Sasakyang Douglas MacArthur, 1943 Cadillac V16 transformable car cabriolet. Ang hirap naman basahin ang pangalan ng mga sasakyan na yan. Alright, sa dami ng tao. Forward. See? Super dami ng tao. Yeah, kaya saglitan lang dito. Look. These are Team FEBMS Bus number 3. Nandun pa si Sir June, nandun pa si Malayo. Ayan si Sir June. Okay, that's the end of the tour. Pwede na daw mag-picture taking for the group. Alright, we will now move to the next destination. See you again.